MPC Sample offers multiple ways to sample to the pads, either using its built-in microphone, USB-C, where you can use smart devices for sampling, or the rear inputs, where you can connect everything from vinyl turntables to external synthesizers. Now, to set up MPC for sampling, first thing we need to do is go to an empty bank and then select an empty pad. Now from here, we need to press the sample record button. Now, once we press sample record, we need to set our source, which is going to be our input for sampling. Now, this is set to rear because we got our turntables connected into the inputs, but we can also change this to our microphone, you can change this to resampling, and you can change this to USB-C for connecting your smart devices. So we're going to make sure this is on rear inputs. Then on the top left of the screen, you have your monitoring. Now, I've got mine set to auto, but you can keep this permanently on or you can turn it off. But for what we're doing, keep it on auto. And now we need to set up our sample length. Now, I've got it on sequence, which means it will sample the length of our sequence, which is 2 bars or 4 bars. You can change this to 3, which means that there is no fixed length to sampling. But we're going to keep it on the length of the sequence. And all we need to do now is strike a pad once we find our sample. Now let's find our sample. Hit the pad. Now we're sampling. Now we're going to go to pad 2, strike pad 2, and start sampling. I want to get the battle me line. Now we've got that sample. We're going to hit pad 3. Now we're ready to sample our next line. Now we've got that. And we're going to get a scratch now on pad 4. Now that we've got our 4 sample parts from the vinyl, we can go in and trim these so we can get our start point and end points so we can use these over our beat. So we're just going to use our control knobs and we're going to trim these down. Going to use the end point. Now we can truncate these, zoom in. There we go. And now, once we got all of our parts trimmed, we can add this over our beat. Now let's add some knob effects to give our beat some vinyl character. Now let's use some pad effects. And finish with flex beat. To learn more about MPC Sample, head over to akaipro.com and check out all the Academy videos. I'm Andy Mack. Thanks for watching.